welcome to our SURG Mathematics channel. In this video, I am discussing the MCQs based model question paper 1 mathematics subject. In mathematics 1 to 32 questions I already discussed and I already uploaded in my previous videos. So in today's class I am discussing question number 33. Yes. Question number 33. The angle between the two radius of a circle is 130 degree. Then the angle between the tangents drawn at the ends of the radii is. So they are given like this: two radius. This angle 130 degree. Then the tangents drawn at the ends of the radius. See, here one end, here end. Ends of the radius, the tangents drawn. So, angle between those two tangents we have to find. So, already we know that relation between radius and a tangent is 90 degree. There is a right angle between radius and a tangent. Here also 90 degree. Yes, right angle. So these two right angle means 180 degree and sum of these two is equal to 180 degree. See, 130 degree plus, so I am giving here, see, angle APB is equal to 180 degree. So angle APB is equal to 180 minus 130 degree is equal to 50 degree. So option D, that is 50 degree. Question number 34. A student constructed a triangle ABC with the sides AB 5 cm, BC 6.5 cm and AC 7 cm and then constructed a triangle ADE similar to ABC such that each of its sides are 5 by 7 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. The length of AD and AE obtained by calculation are respectively equal to. So in this question we have to find the length of AD and AE. AD is equal to question mark, AE is equal to question mark. Here ABC and ADE are similar triangles, no? So ratio of sides AB by AE is equal to AC by AD. So AC by AD. And the ratio they are given 5 by 7. Here A to A5 and A to A7. Yes. Now we want AE. So for that I am taking this and this. See, AB by AE is equal to 5 by 7. So AE is equal to AB into 7 divided by 5. AB is 5 cm into 7 divided by 5. 5 on the 5 on the, so 7 cm. So I will keep here AE is equal to 7 cm. Yes. For next AD I am taking these two ratio. Yes. So AC by AD is equal to 5 by 7. So again AD, do the cross multiplication, we will get AC into 7 divided by 5. AC is 7 cm into 7 divided by 5. So 49 by 5 is equal to 9.4 remains 40, no? 5 8s are. Yes. Therefore the answer AE is equal to 7 centimeter and AD is equal to 9.8 centimeter. Option A. Question number 35. O is the center of the circle. The length of the tangent AB is 24. Here this one is 24. And if OA is equal to 25 centimeter, here O to A is 25. The radius of the circle is. So R is equal to question mark. R we have to find. See, radius and the tangent between the angle is 90 degree. No? So use the Pythagoras theorem here. OA square is equal to OB square plus AB square. We want OB radius, no? So take here OB square is equal to OA square minus AB square. OA is 25 square minus AB is 24 square. 25 is 625 minus 576 is equal to 49. Therefore, OB equal to square root of 49 is equal to 7 centimeter. Option B. So, radius is 7 centimeter. Question number 36. The curved surface area of a cylinder of radius r centimeter and height h centimeter is CSA. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to, formula to write, 2 pi r h centimeter square. Option D. So answer D. Question number 37. The relation between the slant height L and the height h and the radius of the cone R is. It is a cone. Yes, here it is a radius R and it is a height. Yes, here it is 90 degree, no? It is a normal height and it is a, this line is a slant height L. So using Pythagoras theorem, L square is equal to h square plus r square. Yes, this is the relation between slant height and radius of the cone. So option B. Question number 38. The surface area of a sphere is 616 meters square. The surface area of its hemisphere. Hemisphere means half of that one. So total sphere area is 606 centimeter square. Here they are given round. It is a square centimeter. Hemisphere. Hemi means half of that one. So hemisphere, you make it half. 606 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 0 and 8. So 308 centimeters square. So option B. 308 centimeters square. Question number 39. The perimeter of the base of a right circular cylinder is 44 centimeter and its height is 10 centimeter. Then its volume. So it is a cylinder. So here it is radius and the height. It is a height is 10 centimeter. Yes, the circumference. Perimeter means nothing but it is a circumference of the cylinder here. So perimeter is equal to 44 centimeter. That is nothing but a 2 pi r. It is a circumference of the base. Yes, r is equal to 44 by 2 pi. So 44 divided by 2 into 22 by 7 is equal to 44 by 2 into 7 by 22. Reciprocal we have to take no here. Then 22 on the 2 1 the 2 1 the. So radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Then volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. It is the formula. Pi keep as it is, radius 7 square, height 10. So pi as it is 49 into 10. So is equal to, volume is equal to 490 into pi centimeter cube. It is a volume, no? So 490 pi centimeter cube. Option A. Question number 14. Prepare a cone from model clay. When wet, cut it with a knife parallel to its base. Remove the smaller cone obtained. The solid left is. See, one cone is prepared like this and cut. So parallel to base and removed this one. What is the shape of the left solid? That is the first term of a cone. Yes, this is the solid left. So D, option D, first term of a cone. Yes, up to this the first model question paper is over. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಮಾದರಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ ಆಯಿತು, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಾನು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು.